Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am going to be bringing you some of my favorites for the month of January and February. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, let's jump in to some of my standout products for January and February. I couldn't film one for January because it was kind of hectic, but yeah, let's get into it. So some of the stuff that I've been like obsessing over for the past 2 months, and let's start with makeup, well, let's do skincare. With skincare, so in the winter months, I am very dry. I don't want to say very dry because I'm not, but I do experience some dryness to my face, and I've been using this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer every single morning right before I do my makeup, and I love how my makeup looks on top of this. This gives my skin such a radiance, and it makes my skin look so smooth and fresh. Like, I've been loving this. This I got with like a set that came with another product, but I've been enjoying this. I might have to purchase the full size because this is actually a mini size. So I've been loving this, and now as you can see, I am just about done with it. I may have enough for one more application, but the other moisturizer that I've been using since I'm almost out of this one is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. This is a hydrating mask, and you know, you can use it as a mask. Leave it on for, how many minutes does it say? 10 minutes, and then remove it. But I mean, you use your makeup however you want to use it. But I've been using this as a moisturizer because, like I said, I've been experiencing some dryness to my face, and I've had some dry patches too, which is not cute. So I've been using this as a moisturizer, and I love it. I really do. This is really good if you have dry skin. It is really hydrating, and your makeup applies beautifully on top of this. So if you're worried that it might not, fear not. This is really good. Like I said, I have some dry patches. I get some of them like right in this area right here. So, but I use this all over my face. Maybe not so much on my T-zone, but like on the perimeter of my face. And it helps with those dry patches. So I would recommend it. 10 out of 10. It's that good. And for foundation, it's no surprise. It's the E.L.F Camo CC Cream. This is very hydrating as well. I love the coverage. This is, I would say, medium to full coverage. Yeah. But I love it for an everyday use, especially for work. It feels really nice on the skin. And now that, you know, we're not using masks, you know, I don't have to worry about this area right here, you know, coming off because it's a CC cream. So this is really, really good for an everyday. I've been loving this. Clearly, I am almost out, but I did buy a backup of this because I love it that much, especially for like an everyday. And if you're wondering, I'm in medium 330W. So now for other days that I want a little bit more coverage, I've been using the, hold on, this is a little filthy because I use it every day, but it's the Born This Way foundation, the Absolute Perfection Foundation, oil free, and this is in the color Natural Beige, which looks like this. I've been loving this. So I've been alternating between these two. So for like an everyday, I use this one, but like on the days that I want a little bit more full coverage, or I want, you know, more, like I said, coverage, I'd use this one. Well, it's not really much of a preference to me. It's whichever's on hand, honestly. So sometimes I'll use this one, or sometimes I'll use this one, but these two are on rotation. I'm not sure if you can tell, I just shook it up, but I'm like halfway down the bottle. That's how much I use it. So yeah, I've definitely been loving these two foundations. And going right along with makeup, a face palette. This is, I just spoiled it. But I've been loving this Hourglass face palette. This is the Lightning Edit in Universe Unlocked. Now, a few months back, I said that this was not geared towards people that have combination skin like I do. But because in the winter time, my face is a little more drier than, I guess, the spring and summertime, I've been gravitating towards this a lot. And I don't use all the products. The only products that I use are the bronzer and these two blushes and the highlighter. So I don't use the illuminating face powder. I don't use that. What I do use is, like I said, the bronzer, the highlighter, and the two blushes. This is the only thing I've been using, I want to say, for the past 2 months. You know, life is crazy. Life is hectic. So I kind of just have my staple products in the morning to do a quick makeup for work, and I'm out the door. So this has been the only like palette that I've been using, the only blushes, the only bronzer, and the only highlighter that I've been using for the past 2 months. I've had a few here and there, different products that I've used, but for the most part, I'm using this palette right here. Now, I'm not sure I'll be able to get away with using this come spring and summer, just because, like I said, my face changes, my skin changes, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be a little bit more oily. So, but yeah. So my last makeup product is these Milani lipsticks. So I've been using, let's see, which ones have I been using a lot? I've been using Peony 310 and Petal 320. These two I've been using so much. They're just, we've had some really nice warm days in the past couple weeks, and I've been using these so much. And actually the lipstick that I'm using today is Secret. Yeah, Secret, which is this one right here. But these three I've been using so much, and I'm excited for the springtime so I can use my other Milani lipsticks that are much more brighter, because remember, 2022, I am going to be wearing more bold lipsticks, so yay. But yeah, so that's all the makeup stuff that I have. For tools, I have a few. So I've been loving this Sigma switch. I actually washed it because it was really filthy, but this, I didn't think I don't know, I thought it was kind of gimmicky because I didn't think it was gonna work, honestly. But I bought it and I've been using it, you know, whenever I'm like doing my eyeshadow and I need to switch colors. I just come here, I swirl it around, and then I go in with a different color, and it works. It really works. I had the Sephora Mini Color Switch by Vera Mona. This is the one I had. As you can see, it's really filthy. But yeah, I wanted to give this a try, and it does work. And I believe it's only $20, and Target carries Sigma products now. They're in select Target stores, but they're online for sure if you want to check this out. But I definitely recommend it. But yeah. Now for another tool that I've been loving is this E.L.F Complexion Duo brush. Now I washed it, but this is perfect for any like bronzer. This is what I use it for, bronzer. And this side I use it to contour my nose right here, and it's perfect. I love this so much. And also, more brushes. I love the Morphe times Mickey and Friends brushes, which is, and there's only 3 that I really love. Or well, this is the whole pack right here. But my favorite brush has to be this. What's it called? This is the MM1. This is so good. Let me show you. For precise work. I love this, like to apply glitter, to apply any shimmer shade to the lid. It's very precise, so I love it. And the blending brushes as well, like I have no issues. I love them so much that I ended up buying a second kit, a second brush set, and because it was on sale. So I figured, why not have, you know, doubles of my favorite brushes, because I'm not always washing my brushes. I don't have that time. But so yeah. And I also bought the Morphe times, actually I have it right here. I bought the Morphe times Lucky Charm brush kit, and it's the same. It's the same. Like, how cute is this bag? How cute. But the brushes are just the brushes that I really like, come in this collection as well. So see, I haven't even opened it yet, but I can tell, like, it has that little small brush that I like, which is this one right here. Oh, this is, and it has the blending brush, the pencil line, it has the eye brush. I mean, this, I think this was 30, but right now Ulta has a 20% coupon that you can use for one item. Of course, it doesn't include Prestige, but I was able to use it with this, and I ended up getting this for, I believe, $23. So now I have triple the amount of brushes. So yeah, that's how much I love these brushes. They're really good, the quality is there, and they're good for precise work. So 10 out of 10 I would recommend. So those are all like the 2 favorites that I've had for the month of January and February. Now I have one more thing, and it's these vitamins, hair vitamins actually, that I've been using for the past couple of months. This is actually my 3rd bottle. This is the HAIRtamin Advanced Formula. This I bought off from Ulta. They retail for, I want to say, $30. I could be mistaken. I'm gonna look it up and put it down in the description box. But like I said, this is my 3rd bottle, and my hair has grown so much. My hair is down to my butt almost. It's that long. Like, and my hair is in layers, but my hair is so long, I've definitely noticed after taking these, I've noticed a difference. If you are trying to grow your hair out, I would definitely recommend this. I mean, you know, I'm not a expert in vitamins and stuff like that, but I used to take biotin, but and the brand from Walmart, but I didn't really notice my hair growing. I noticed my nails, they grew a lot, but not my hair. This has definitely made my hair grow quicker. So if you, like I said, if you're trying to grow your hair out, these are the vitamins to go. I would suggest you wait for, you know, a coupon, because they're kind of pricey, and this is only this has only 30 vegan capsules for a month's worth. So what I did is, when I ended up getting my 20% coupon to use with Prestige products, I ended up getting four, because this is all, I think this is done. Yeah, this is done. So now I'm going to be going to my 4th bottle. I'm going to wait to see if I get another 20%, and I'm going to definitely restock. But yeah, this makes my hair so long. It makes it thicker and stronger. So yeah. So yeah, those are all my favorite products for the month of January and February. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.